Hello coders, welcome back to our Tech Crate, the one-stop solution for a creative developer. So in this today video, we will learn about the Apple Pay and wallet integration. So this series will learn how to integrate Apple Pay and wallet into your iOS app by step by step. We'll understand what Apple Pay wallet does, learn why it is essential for a secure payment. We'll explore the three core flow of Apple Pay wallet. Why we integrate Apple Pay and wallet. So for a secure and trusted payment, it gives you a faster checkout. It is totally made inside your native iOS experience. Okay, also giving you the wallet part. It has the higher conversion and user traits. So for some payment, iOS has mandated native payment flow for certain use cases. So how we will implement Apple Pay and wallet? So for this we required first Apple developer account. It will charge approximate the $99. In Indian rupee it will be a 7 to 8,000. So after purchasing we'll set up our Apple Pay account. We'll create the provision profile. Inside provision profile we'll add the capability of Apple Pay. If you're not about how to create the provision profile, there is a video of how to create provision profile in my channel. You can check out for that. Okay, after the provision profile, we'll configure the Xcode. We'll set up the Apple Pay and wallet integration inside our Xcode. After that, we will integrate Apple API code inside our Xcode. Fourth one is the server integrations. We'll provide the API details, how API will communicate to the Apple API and give the response, how you will handle the request and response in your applications. Will give the total understanding. Fifth one is the wallet features. So we will give the total wallet feature understanding. We'll understand the three flows of Apple Pay and wallet. First one is the in-app provision flow. Second one is the in-app verification flow. Third one is the wallet extension flow. So what we will learn in the next videos, we will learn the complete flow of in-app provision flow. What is in-app provision flow, how it work, how it give the response and other things. We'll learn about the in-app verification flow. We'll learn about the wallet extension flow, and after that we will do the complete project end-to-end Apple Pay and wallet implementations. So thank you so much for watching my video. Do like, subscribe and comment for more videos. Thank you so much.